Here's a device that does more than any regular smartwatch. It can measure your blood pressure on the go. It is so accurate that it measures medical grade blood pressure. It has a patented inflatable air cuff design, powerful algorithm, and high accuracy sensor. Monitoring your blood pressure is easier with this watch. I have tested and compared it to my blood pressure monitor device, and the results are identical. Not only that, it also has smart features like fitness tracking, automatic sleep monitoring, 24 hours heart rate monitor, measures your blood oxygen saturation, all that, plus a daily smart life assistant. It has a 1.41 inches AMOLED screen, but I find the bezels thicker than most smartwatch, with a resolution of 320 by 360 and a Medi-grade stainless steel. Its dimensions 54 by 38 by 12.9 mm and up to 7 days battery life. It runs on the brand's OS, which is called YHE, and you can pair it to their app. Inside the box, you can find the blood pressure monitor smartwatch. You'll have the instruction manual and the quick start guide. You also have a micro USB charger cable plus a clip type charger. It is quite easy to measure your blood pressure with this watch. You can check this step-by-step guide in the description below. And one way to measure is you can do it by sitting up straight, feet flat on the floor, and your hand secured. Or you can put it up on the table with the same level as your heart. Or here's a quick comparison with my home blood pressure monitor. One of the features I like about this blood pressure doctor app, it enables whole family health management with one simple click wherever you are. All the data sync in the app can be shared with your family remotely so that they can check your physical condition at any time. And I would say this is a great watch, but it would be better if it has an NFC feature. Check out the smartwatches that are NFC capable. See you again on the next video.